Hey Charlie, turn around.
Hey Dad.
What are you doing?
What's going on here?
It's snowing, bro. Oh
That way
shit.
you can make snowballs and throw it in.
I think this stuff is gonna melt. Don't throw it at me, come on.
No, I'm gonna throw it at the wall for practice.
You're gonna throw it at the wall?
Yeah. Like
What's up?
Alright,
Say hello to the camera.
What?
You like
Merry
being on the
Christmas,
snow? You like being on the snow, kid? You like being on the snow?
Yeah. I actually peed my name over there trying.
You peed your name outside?
Trying.
You
know,
tried?
Booty.
I'm gonna go inside, man. It's too cold for me. I know. Salito, look at me.
Give me a second.
Oh shit, I'm freezing my nuts off, man.
Then go inside and get a coat or something.
Alright, I'll be back in a sec.